Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be juicing a pineapple with some star fruit, a lime, and a piece of ginger. So guys, I am going to first cut up my star fruits. Actually, my son gave me these star fruits, so I'm gonna cut these up. Let me get my glass bowl. Put this over here. I'll pop them in it. You may can't see it at the moment because I position my camera on the cutting board. Oh, I think I'm gonna leave one for doing my decoration. So guys, I'm gonna cut the two ends of my pineapple off. And then I'm going to take the skins off. Guys, I'm not gonna throw away my skins. You can use them to make drink. You can blend them out and boil them with ginger. I have another tool which I'm going to introduce to you, but next week I will purchase another pineapple and show you how I use that new tool. I'm going to cut them into straight lines. Let's take out this little piece here, which is the core. Then I will make a lovely drink. Let's cut up a few pieces of ginger, the skin. You don't have to peel it, you can if you want to. So, and then I'm gonna peel my lemon. You can leave a little piece of the skin on it, just to get a little more of the rind taste in the juice. So guys, let's go over to the juicer and let's go. I think I'm going to try half of the pineapple first and see how far that goes in the juicer. So guys, I'm going to turn my juicer on and start adding my fruits in, which is the star fruits. And guys, this drink will help you to lose weight, boost the immune system. So now I'm putting in some pineapples. And guys, do you know that star fruit also helps to promote heart health? Guys, you need to try this. It also maintains a proper blood pressure and enhance a healthy blood flow. And guys, this lovely fruit, it also reduces toxin in the body, which helps to lower your risk of getting cancer. So it is very good. So guys, I'm going to let my juice out, and I'm going to switch on the juicer from the side so it pumps the rest of juice out so that there's none that left inside. And guys, you can also throw water inside here afterward and turn the juicer on and it wash it out. So guys, this is the second batch of juice. I'm going to list the benefits of the star fruit in the description box and let you see. So guys, I'm going to be sharing out my drink now. So guys, all the trash that I get from my juicer, I'm going to be going outside and I'm going to put them in the soil. So guys, I'm outside. I've cut the video. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to have a lovely drink. So I've put all that I've got from the juicer where I plant all my scallions. But guys, I will give you another day. I'll do another video on my garden. So guys, I'm back inside and I'm gonna have a lovely drink from my pineapple, star fruit, ginger, lemon drink. So guys, last but least, the star fruit helps to stimulate the movement of stool, relieving symptoms of constipation and bloating. So guys, take that in consideration. Give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend, leave a comment guys, and thank you all for watching. Big up all of my subscribers and thank you for all the ones that are always here with me. Thank you so much. Big up all the silent watchers and all the ones that keep in. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. Bye for now.